where cultured veggies are concerned, which is going to be different from the salsa that we're making tonight.
And don't cut your finger.
Don't cut your finger.
Would you empty these into
Into
a quart jar and fill it with water?
Sure.
So, oh, here's another one.
All of the cultured veggie base, 80% of it is cabbage, green and red. Do you need paper? Oh, okay.
That I got now. I'm okay with it. I'll
Okay.
remember that.
And then we add ginger, garlic, sea vegetables, apple, ginger, garlic, sea vegetables, apple. Whatever herbs you want to add, no salt. When I say herbs, I mean the fresh herbs. Do you want to sit, Jim? Let me give you this stool. You can take it to the other side. Carol, do you want a stool?
No, thank you.
So red cabbage, green cabbage, Granny apple, primarily Granny Smith, ginger, garlic, sea vegetables. And then we're going to be adding some herbs. We're going to start first tonight with the salsa. And the salsa is cabbage. We put in it, as you look at this on the top of these two bowls, this is onion and garlic sprouts that take 2 to 3 weeks. So we're actually adding the life, the total life, to our culture, our salsa tonight.
Don't forget to massage.
Massage the vegetables. And then it takes 2 heads of cabbage, 1 onion, yes, with the wooden,
This.
any wooden, yeah. 2 red peppers, 1 bunch of cilantro, 2 bulbs of garlic, 2 jalapenos. We're using other peppers that are from the garden, so you can use whatever hot pepper you want of your choice, or you can leave it out if peppers are not your expertise. Sorry? 2 peppers.
S-I-L. A-N.
C-I-L. Cilantro.
That's what I meant to say. I meant
C-I-L.
That's what
I'm wondering what you're spelling.
A-N-T-R-O. I was picturing a C that said S.
I did too.
8 big tomatoes. So we're using all the tomatoes from the garden. Some of them are plum tomatoes. Some of them are some of them are little cherry peppers. Excuse me, cherry tomatoes. So you just want to have a good volume of tomatoes. And 2 lemons or 2 limes. And this is an important piece. We're using the entire fruit, but we're going to cut off the rind and the seeds. I'm not cutting off the seeds because we're putting it right in the Vitamix, so the Vitamix is going to liquefy it. There's a lot of nutrition in the seeds, so we're going to actually use them. Questions? Okay. So we're watching Laura do an incredible kneading job. We have got the garlic in here, so we're going to blend the garlic. We're actually going to blend the garlic. Everything's going right into the Vitamix. So, and also everything that you're seeing, Lisa has been diligent all day ozonating everything, and we've prepared. So this is more like a 3-day project that we're going to be seeing happening in about an hour. Between the shopping for the produce and then ozonating everything, letting it dry, and then prepping it through the food processor or dicing it. Probably the last class that I taught, I decided that it really wasn't worth standing and dicing garlic. So we just put everything right. Good amount of cilantro goes right through the Vitamix, and it turns it into a liquid.
What's ozonating?
Vitamix.
Okay. Ozonating?
Oh, ozonating? If you want to come over here, Deb, I'll show you what the cortisone looks like. You can ozonate olive oil, which heals wounds in a heartbeat. You can ozonate, this is it right here.
Oh.
You can ozonate, you can make an ozonated bath, and it allows your body to believe that it's swimming in the ocean.
Bowl of water, and then whatever you put in there.
Do you sell ozonated olive oil? Like, can you do that for people?
Yes, but it takes time to ozonate.
Wow.
Yes, it's one of the things that I'm going to make available. Now that I am so blessed with having Lisa and Laura here every week, we can start offering more things. And that's one of them. If we have time tonight, we're going to make raw kale. No eggs. So if we don't have time tonight, we'll make it on another night. Don't feel left out. And its primary base is cashews, which I've prepared for us.
How long do you soak them?
The cashews don't have to soak very long. I soaked them overnight pretty much and then just strained them.
Okay.
And they'll never sprout,
Oh, really?
where the other nuts and seeds will. Debbie, you want to use it? We're going to use that in one.
What is in that? Touch it, it'll. I know there was lemons.
Cilantro, your garlic, the peppers, and the lemons.
That is.
So that's making our liquid.
The red peppers or the.
Okay.
That's
The hot peppers.
It's made for.
That is.
Didn't
That's
have
why
one of
it
these.
is.
So Debbie's question is, can you take this mixture, put it in a regular blender? The answer to that is yes and no. A regular blender is going to do two things. It's going to heat up the food, which means we're killing the nutrition, the enzymes. The other thing that a standard blender will not do is be able to blend a whole lemon and the seeds and everything that we just put in here and make it a liquid. But you can work with it. My philosophy is work with what you have and then build from there.
Do they have something good for your body?
The seeds have the majority of the heat that increases metabolism. So if you take a hot pepper, got a hole in my head. If you take a hot pepper and you take the seeds out, it's not going to be as hot. If you take that hot pepper and you dice the seeds with the pepper, it's going to be super hot. All right. I'm going to switch some bowls around here. And in a minute, Laura, will you take this cup, which has the carob in it, and give everyone that? Because I don't want to blend that with the next snack that you guys are going to have. So, Avery, do you want to mix this all up?
Just with my hands.
Excuse me? Everything that I just gave the recipe for the salsa, that's what this is. Yeah, the peppers, the garlic, the cilantro, the cabbage,
Everyone has a
the
cup?
tomatoes, everyone has a cup. The lemons or limes, whichever you prefer.